First off, we love this system. This is really, really cool. There's not a lot of things that we would change in general. It's more or less in the little nitpicky things. So probably the biggest things that we're seeing are, right now we really consider it to be optimally a 3-man teardown. It's a single person setup, but it's a 3-man teardown. So like that, if we could get that down to really a 2-man or a 1-man set down that's more efficient, that would be really nice.